Hi, welcome to my channel Mathematics Made Easy by Mary MJ. Here I am discussing class 11 sure short questions for relations and functions. We are moving on to first question. First one, if f is a signum function, then consider a real valued function f of 100 is equal to dash. What will be the value of f of 100? It is given that the function f is a signum function. And what is the definition of a signum function? Signum function f of x is equal to 1 if x greater than 0, equal to 0 if x equal to 0, and equal to minus 1 when x less than 0. This is the definition for signum function. So our question is f of 100. F of 100 means it is greater than 0. So f of 100 will be, answer will be 1. That is the first answer. Now the second one, let f is equal to set of ordered pair 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3. Be a function from z to z defined by f of x equal to ax plus b for some integers a and b. Determine a and b. So here considering the first ordered pair, that is 1, 1. Here first one represents x and second one represents y. And we know it is given that y is equal to ax plus b. If x equal to 1, then the equation becomes, and y is also equal to 1. So this equation becomes 1 is equal to a plus b. That is equation number 1. Again take the second ordered pair, that is 2, 3. Substituting the value of x and y in the above equation itself, we'll get 3 is equal to 2a plus b. Instead of x, I'm giving 2. Instead of y, we can give 3. So we are getting two different equations. One is a plus b is equal to 1. Second one is 2a plus b is equal to 3. Solving these two equations, we can subtract this so that b will be cancelled, and we are getting minus a is equal to minus 2 or a is equal to 2. If I am substituting the value of a in the first equation, we are getting b is equal to minus 1. So that is about the second sub question. What about the third one? Third one is to find out range of g of x and domain of g of x by h of x. So here given g of x is 2 minus 3x. So C sub question is g of x equal to 2 minus 3x, and x is given that is greater than 0. If I am putting the values of x greater than 0, what happens to g of x? Just substitute and see. If we are giving x equal to 0, it is 2. Then x equal to some other value less than, we can put 0.5. So 2 minus 3 into 0.5 is 2 minus 1.5, that is 0.5. So we'll get then again if I am putting x equal to 1, 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. Then x equal to 2, 2 minus 6, that is minus 4. So all the values will get from minus infinity up to 2. Whereas here given that it is x is greater than 0, so 2 will not be included. So here we can write the range. Range will be minus infinity to 2, or just the opposite way you can write. It is from ordered pair 2 to minus infinity. That is, it is less than. The value will be from minus infinity up to 2 only, it will be there. The 2 will not be included, so that I am writing here open interval. Minus infinity also we don't know what is the correct value, that's why minus infinity also in the open interval. So open interval minus infinity comma 2 is the range. What about the second question there? That is to find out the domain. Second one is to find the domain of g of x by h of x. What is g of x? It is 2 minus 3x. What is h of x? It is x square minus 3x plus 2. So we are supposed to find out the domain. Domain means the value of x. Here it is a fraction. So the denominator will not be 0. That means x square minus 3x plus 2 will not be equal to 0 since it is a rational expression. That means x minus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0 or x equal to 2 comma 1. We should not get denominator as 0. So in order not to get the denominator as 0, we should not put the value 2 or 1. If I am putting 2 here in the denominator will be 0. If I am putting 1 also in the denominator, you will get it as 0. So this means that the denominator should not be 0. So if it should not be 0, then what all h of x can take? What all will be the domain of the given function? X can take all the values except 2 and 1. If we are putting 2, it will be 0. If we are putting 1 also, it will be 0. So domain will be all real numbers minus 2 and 1. You have to subtract 2 and 1 from the set of real numbers. Remaining all values x can take. So that is about that first question. Now moving on to the second one. Two ordered pairs are given. It is written that ordered pair x plus 3 by 2, y minus 1 by 3 is equal to ordered pair 4 comma 2. What does this mean? This means that two ordered pairs are equal. Two ordered pairs are equal if they are first ordered pair. First numbers will be equal and the second will be equal. That is, both the first terms will be equal in the set of ordered pair. First numbers will be equal, second will be equal. So I can write it as x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 4 and y minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2. Or that can be written as x plus 3 is equal to 8 or x is equal to 5. Same way here, y is equal to 6 plus 1, that is 5. 6 plus 1, that is 7. Here cross multiplying, we are getting it as 6. Minus 1 taking to the other side, it becomes plus 1, which is equal to 7. So x equal to 5 and y is equal to 7 are the values of x and y. Now see the second one. Consider the function f of x equal to modulus of x minus 3. How will be the graph of mod x minus 3? So here, if I am putting x equal to 0 for x, the function is f of x equal to modulus of x minus 3. So here, if you are putting x equal to 0, what happens to y? X equal to 0 means y will be minus 3. So x equal to 0, here it is minus 1, this side it is minus 2, here it is minus 3. So the point here, if I am putting x equal to 0, you are getting y is equal to minus 3. So this point is 0 comma minus 3. Then what about when I am putting x equal to 1? X equal to 1 means y will be minus 2. So 1 comma minus 2. Same way if you are putting minus 1, if this side it is minus 1, if I am putting here minus 1, what happens to a value of y? It will be 1 minus 3, that is again minus 2. So it will be here itself. Again if you are putting x equal to 2, you are getting minus 1. So minus 2 comma minus 1. Here will be the point. Same way on the other side, if it is minus 2, again it will be mapping to minus 1. So like this way moving, we can see that we are getting a V-shaped graph, whereas the vertex will be at 0 comma minus 3. This is x, this is y. It will be a V-shaped graph where the vertex is at 0 comma minus 3. If it is modulus of x, it will be a V-shaped graph with the vertex at 0, 0, origin. So compare the graphs and study. Now what about the domain? What about the range? This is the second one. Third sub-question is to find the domain and range. Here for all the values of x, we are substituting the values of any values you can give for x. Either positive or negative or fractions or decimals, any real numbers you can give for x. So domain will be the set of real numbers. What about the range? What all values will range get? That is, a minimum value the range will be getting is, that is, if I am giving x equal to 0, we'll be having 0 minus 3, that is minus 3, x equal to 1, it is minus 2, x equal to 2, it is minus 1, x equal to 3, it is 0, goes on. So starting value will be from minus 3 onwards. So range will be starting from minus 3 up to infinity will be the range of this function. Now the next one. Next question is a equal to set 2, 3 and b is equal to set 1, 3, 5. Then the number of relations from a to b. So first you should find out what is the Cartesian product and how many elements will be there in the Cartesian product. There will be 2 into 3, that is 6 elements will be there in the Cartesian product. And how many relations are possible? Number of relations means it will be always a subset of the Cartesian product. And there will be 2 raised to number of elements of a cross b. That is 2 raised to 6 elements will be there in the relation. So 2 raised to the number of relations possible are 2 raised to 6. So 2 raised to 6 means what is the meaning of 2? How much is this 2 raised to 6? It is 2 into 2 into 2 into etc. 6 times. That is equal to 64. Then the second sub question there, here R is a relation defined, A is a from on a set A equal to 1, 2, 3 etc. up to 14. R is equal to set of ordered pair x comma y such that 3x minus y equal to 0. Both x and y are elements of A. That is very important there. X and y are elements of A. So both the set, it is from set 1 to 14. And R can be written as y is equal to 3x. So what all will R contain? R is equal to set of ordered pair. If I am giving x equal to 1, y will be 3. X equal to 2, y will be 6. X equal to 3, y will be 9. X equal to 4, y will be 12. X equal to 5, y will be 15, which is not in that set. A consists of numbers from elements from 1 to 14 only. 15 is not there in the set, so you cannot take that. So R consists of 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. What about the domain? Domain is the first set elements coming in the relation. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Codomain means a second set, complete second set, which is 1, 2, 3, etc. 14. And what about the range? Range is the second set elements coming in the relation, that is 3, 6, 9, 12. Then the third sub question. C question is f of x and g of x are given, f into g of x. F is x square and g of x is 2x plus 1. So f into g of x can be written as 2x cube plus x square. What about f plus g of x? F plus g of x is the same as f of x plus g of x, and f of x equal to, how much is f of x given? It is x square, and g of x is given as 2x plus 1. Adding both, we can write it as x plus 1 whole square. It is f plus g of x. Now we will move on to the next one. Fourth question. The domain of the function f of x equal to 1 by x minus 1 is, what is the domain? we can see that this x minus 1 is coming in the denominator. In a fraction, denominator will not be 0. That means x minus 1 cannot be 0. Denominator cannot be 0. That means x cannot take the value 1. So, this function can take all the values except 1. So, what can be the domain? Domain can be all the real numbers minus set 1. So, R minus set 1 is the domain of the given relation. Now, second one, a relation R on the set of natural numbers is defined by R is equal to set of ordered pair x comma y such that y is equal to x. X is a natural number less than 4. So, natural numbers less than 4 means it is 1, 2, 3. And x consists of natural numbers. Here x is less than 4 means it can take the values 1, 2, 3. So, y also will be taking the same value 1, 2, 3 itself because x is a natural number less than 4 and y is equal to x. So, what all numbers will be there in R? What all will be the elements? First one, you can write it as 1, 1 because if x is equal to 1, y is also equal to 1. X equal to 2, then y also will be 2. X equal to 3, then y also will be 3. So, these 3 elements only will come in the relation because natural number less than 4 means it can take only 1, 2 and 3. So, write the relation in roster form. That is the first sub question there. Then second sub question is to write the domain and range. Domain means all the first set elements coming in the relation, that is set 1, 2, 3, and range. Second set elements coming in the relation, that is again set 1, 2, 3. Then the third sub question there is C question, that is the graph of f of x equal to mod x. How to draw the graph? We know that f of x equal to x when x greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0 and minus x when x less than 0. That's the definition for function f of x. And how to draw it? Draw x and y axis. Mark x axis, y axis. Then x greater than or equal to 0 means when x equal to 0, y equal to 0, x equal to 1, y equal to 1. This is 1, this side is 2, 3. Then downwards minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. X equal to 1, y equal to 1, x equal to 2, y equal to 2, x equal to 3, y equal to 3. Here 1, 2, 3. This side negative values minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So, minus 1, 1, minus 2, 2, minus 3 and 3. So, we are getting a V-shaped graph. It will be a V-shaped graph. The function that is y is equal to modulus of x. And here, what is the domain? Domain is all the real numbers and range is only positive real numbers. That is from 0 to infinity. So, these are few of the important questions of the chapter. Thank you for watching my video. Those who haven't subscribed, please like, share and subscribe and also click on the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Bye.